Hi, I'm Lauren Huffman, Senior Technical Services and Development Scientist at Dow. I'm excited to share more about Dow's new UCON P preformed polyurea grease thickener. UCON P is a preformed polyurea thickener that removes the need to store and handle difficult raw materials and complicated manufacturing processes. Instead, you can use an easy-to-store, easy-to-handle powder to make your PU grease. We are in the lab and want to show you how easy it is to use UCON P polyurea grease thickener to make grease. First, heat the base oil of your choice to 160 degrees Celsius and then add the amount of powder needed to make your grease. Stir and heat this powder for 2 hours and then increase the heat to 180 degrees Celsius. This is the stage you would add your desired additives as well. Heat for another half hour and then let cool. Once cool, mill the grease to develop the structure of the final product. In this case, we'll do 6 passes through the 3-roll mill. You could also use a homogenizer to develop the final structure as well. Finally, measure the hardness of the grease with a penetrometer. In this case, we've made an NLGI Grade 1 grease. So check out the How to Apply guide and grab a sample to try it yourself. Thank you.